The best way to migrate a narrowband purpose-built technologies to broadband is basically starting with a simple TB4 base station, adding LTE and 5G, 3GPP standardized technologies. The big benefit of this that in one single base station we have three technologies complementary to TETRA, basically meaning that you can stream video, you can add high data throughputs, and you can serve your customers in a better way and improve situational awareness. Here we see the TB4 base station. We have two components, the radio unit and the baseband unit. The radio unit is connected to the baseband unit over the fiber cable. In the left side of the box we see the TETRA technology equipped. In the right side of the box we see LTE technology. We can still add 5G card to the right side of the box, and so we have a three technology in one single base station, lowering the capex and increasing the value and lowering the footprint. So summarizing the benefits of the ultimate TB4 base station equipped with TETRA, LTE and 5G technology, three technologies in one single base station provide significant benefit and OPEX and CAPEX savings. Same time supporting LTE and 5G multi-radio, multiple frequencies, at the same time also supporting common antenna solution, of course depending on the frequencies on the LTE and 5G side.